1926.1428. Signal Person Qualifications for Subpart C. Cranes and derricks in construction. 1926.1428a. The employer of the signal person must ensure that each signal person meets the qualification requirements, paragraph C, of this section, prior to giving any signals. This requirement must be met by using either option 1 or option 2 of this section. 1926.1428a. 1. Option 1. Third-party qualified evaluator. The signal person has documentation from a third-party qualified evaluator, see Qualified Evaluator, Third Party, Section 1926.1401 for definition, showing that the signal person meets the qualification requirements, see paragraph C of this section. 1926.1428a. 2. Option 2. Employer's qualified evaluator. The employer's qualified, see Qualified Evaluator, not a third party, Section 1926.1401 for definition. Evaluator assesses the individual and determines that the individual meets the qualification requirements, see paragraph C of this section, and provides documentation of that determination. An assessment by an employer's qualified evaluator under this option is not portable. Other employers are not permitted to use it to meet the requirements of this section. 1926.1428a. 3. The employer must make the documentation for whichever option is used available at the site while the signal person is employed by the employer. The documentation must specify each type of signaling, e.g., hand signals, radio signals, etc., for which the signal person meets the requirements of paragraph C of this section. 1926.1428b. If subsequent actions by the signal person indicate that the individual does not meet the qualification requirements, see paragraph C of this section, the employer must not allow the individual to continue working as a signal person until retraining is provided and a reassessment is made in accordance with paragraph A of this section that confirms that the individual meets the qualification requirements. 1926.1428 C. Qualification requirements. Each signal person must 1926.1428 C1 through C5 know and understand the type of signals used. If hand signals are used, the signal person must know and understand the standard method for hand signals. Be competent in the application of the type of signals used. Have a basic understanding of equipment operation and limitations, including the crane dynamics involved in swinging and stopping loads and boom deflection from hoisting loads. Know and understand the relevant requirements of sections 1926.1419 through 1926.1422 and 1926.1428. Demonstrate that he/she meets the requirements in paragraphs C1 through 4 of this section through an oral or written test and through a practical test.